Welcome to Anyways Tech. We will be talking about how to be install inside the programs for Microsoft Edge. So this is if you are looking for Microsoft Edge inside the program, that means Canary, Div, and Beta, then this video is just for you. If you are looking to just use stable version of Microsoft Edge, then you can just use stable version. Alright, so this is development channel of Microsoft Edge. So this everything is here as development. That's why it's a little bit different from the original Microsoft Edge that was also called stable version. We cannot say the account version is stable, 100% stable yet. For some people, yeah, but it's improved significantly. This is supposed to be the newest version of Microsoft Edge that you can get it once the update is officially released. So there's three versions. Dev, Beta, Canary. So Canary get the highest update. I mean, you get the most latest update. It can update every day, and Dev get every update every week, and Beta get every update every month or actually 4 weeks. So you can just click on download. Okay, you can download. If you want all the version, the 109 and below, you can download by Windows 8 and so on. And you can just click download install and then open the installer and then install it. So when you are using Windows 7, you obviously get all version instantly. Note that Microsoft Edge is now based on Chromium browser. So Chromium is a technology from Google, and Microsoft is now backing the technology with their own technology for advancement. So whatever comes in Chromium is likely to come to Microsoft Edge. This means Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome have a lot of similar features along with a lot of different features as well. That's why Microsoft is a leading browser. But any development and contribution to Chromium technology is also implemented in other browsers, including Opera, Brave, and any other browser. Not only Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge, which are two biggest browsers, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Mozilla Firefox is not a Chromium project, so you won't get any updates from Chromium. It's a completely different engine, and you don't have to worry about it. So you can see the GitHub developer channel how to install browser extension if you want to make open source application based on Microsoft Edge. And they also have support for what do you call it, business where you can just copy the vehicles or you can just Apache. Right. So coming back to the inside of Android iOS, if you're using Android iOS, then there's a channel for you. Obviously, this is basically for three options. So in this case, is Windows, Mac, and Linux. So if you're using Mac or Linux, you can also get download Microsoft Edge because it browsers offer all five options, the major options, including Mac, Windows, Linux, and iOS, and Android, along with Windows. Alright, so I'm making the web page better page for everyone. So you can see some of his contributions towards the Chromium technology. So you can see here all the Chromium technology that was contribution. So when you click something, you can just see the latest information. You can just review it. Know the Chromium is open source project, so you can anytime edit it and do whatever you like from it. And there's no any issue. Something like Git system and what's in other Chromium technology. So anything that's been developed over here, that's already been developed in Microsoft Edge as well and Google Chrome as well. Although it's Microsoft's decision whether or not to release on Microsoft Edge or not. That's completely Microsoft's decision. Microsoft will not force release any decision because it's against the rules and policy. So these are the public owners of this program, and these are the reviewers. So in this case, there are some people can submit their own reviews, submit their own programs, and even edit their Chromium technology process. Like there's something called ungoogled Chromium. So ungoogled Chromium means you can just post up your own Chromium and yeah, get like that. So in this case, you can make your own Chromium. Microsoft, Google, they focus on getting some of this idea and posting their web browser for sure. As is open source project, anyone can copy this and make their own browser or even put add these features to their browser. And there is no much security in this case, but yeah, it's open source for a reason. Open source means it doesn't have any security stuff. You can just get whatever idea in the available Chromium store and just use them for making your own browser, which is really cool because you don't have to, if you don't know much coding, it's also helpful in this case because you can make your own browser and it's all Chromium, right? It's open source, right? So Google do this, many companies are working, many people are working on one open source program, and Microsoft is and Google Chrome is the foremost popular open source program. So I'm not joking when I say Microsoft Google Chrome is open source. despite having so many features. So imagine this much features and lots of Microsoft is an open source application. However, this doesn't necessarily mean that you can just take every single file and everything Microsoft is working on, although most of the features will be in WP Microsoft. Will not be, not everything will be in the open source, but most features will be might be in the open source, but you can just search in the internet. And it's open, so the state is open, so there might be course as well. So there's some course update, I guess. I don't know. Alright, other than that, thanks for watching. Anyway, take VP, subscribe, like, comment, share. Have a nice day. I have noticed many of you subscribed. I have now 194 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. For everyone who subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And if you didn't subscribe, please consider subscribing. Anyway, take review, and we hope you all have a nice day. And thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you didn't subscribe. And yeah, subscribe to Anyway, take review. Have a nice day.